Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you a walkthrough on how you can actually start your spot trading and make at least $10 every single day. So I'm actually going to be using my Binance app. So I'm logged into my Binance app. Once you are logged into your Binance app, all you need to do is to come to this place where you have trade. So once you come to this place where you have trade, you click on it. So once I click on it, it's going to bring me to this platform, and once I'm here, you take note that we have convert, we have spot, we have margin, we have fiat, we have P2P and auto invest, but our major concentration is on spot. And if you watch, is already on spot because what you are going to be doing is on spot trading. So once you are here, then you got to know again that this place you have what we call the trading pair, where we have dash/USDT. so this simply means the pairs you are trading. So if you click on it, let me click on it. If you click on it, you can see that you can actually select any pair that you want to trade on. You can see a lot of them here. There are so many, so you can choose any trading pair that you actually want to trade on. So this simply, let me explain this further. This simply means the currency you are using to trade which other currency. So that simply means that you are actually using USDT to buy or to sell dash. So it could be BTC slash USDT, which also means that you are using USDT to buy or sell BTC. Let's go here and change this from, okay, let's select BTC. So this simply entails that you are actually using USDT to buy or to sell BTC. So having understood it, the next thing is to take note of this place. You can see this place. This simply shows you how the market is actually moving. The ones on the green are the buying session. These are people buying. These are people buying. You can see how it is moving. While the one in the red side of it actually shows the selling session. These are people that are selling. How the selling is being going in the marketplace. Then you come back again, and then you will see this particular place here. You have one here, which is this candlestick, where you make your analysis before you can buy. I'm going to take you one after the other so that you understand them before you can actually start your spot trading. Now if I click on this first one, which is my candlestick, what we call the candlestick, this is where you make your analysis on how the market is going before you can actually buy or sell your cryptocurrency. So here you make your analysis. It tells you how the market is moving, and if you watch in this place, you notice that we have different time frame. I'm actually using 5 minutes time frame because I'm a daily trader. So you can actually change it to 1 day, 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame, 15-hour time frame. So for you to get this, come to this place, this small arrow here, and click on it. Is actually going to open a lot of other time frame that I can actually use. So from here you can see a lot of time frame that you can choose to actually display, and each candlestick here, let's go back so I will show you. Since I'm using 5 minutes time frame here, each of these candlestick represent what happened in the past 5 minutes. So you can see that in 5 minutes time, a lot of sales went through. Then another 5 minutes there was a buy, another 5 minutes it increased buying, and then another 5 minutes increase. So this is how it is. If I change it to, let's say, 1 hour time frame, you will see that this candlestick is actually going to change. Now you will know that these candlesticks represent 1 hour interval. So within 1 hour this has happened. Within another 1 hour this is what happened. Within another hour, 1 hour, this is what happened. So this is how you can actually understand this technical aspect of your spot trading before you can now make a decision when to buy or when to sell your crypto. So having understood this, then the next thing we need to understand is this place. Once you come to this other side here actually has to do with what? Grid trading. This is where you do spot grid. is actually a Binance bot that actually trades for you if you actually want their bot to trade for you. But for the purpose of this training, we are not concerned with this, so we'll go back and then we'll look at the last one, which we have here, these 3 dots here. So once you go to these 3 dots, you are going to see other options where you decide if you want to actually transfer, and if you want to do deposit. Maybe you don't have money, you want to deposit to your fund account so that you can be able to start trading, and then you can compare the market, how the market is going, and other analysis, trading analysis. You can analyze every of your trade. And then if you are actually new, you can then come to here, this place, and watch some video tutorial from Binance on how this spot trading actually work. So having known this, then they will go back to our platform. So this is where we are before. Now you understand that you have the buy side here and you also have the sell side. So if I want to buy, let's say I have USDT and I want to buy BTC, so it must actually be on the buy side because I'm buying. But if I have BTC already and I want to sell it to USDT, then I will have to change it to sell. And then once I change it to sell, I cannot be able to set my own fee on how I want to actually buy. So once you come to this place, you will note that you have limit here. You can see limit, you have limit, and if you click on this small drop down arrow here, it's going to give you other options where you have the market, you have the spot limit, you have the trading limit, and then the CCO. So what this simply means, let me explain it, is that this limit gives you the opportunity to set your own price. Now if you watch, BTC is actually selling at the rate of 23,750. You see, it's fluctuating. It has gone to 23,759 and it will enter 56 again. So this is within this amount. Now if let's assume that I want to buy, let's go back to the buy session. If actually I want to buy and I have seen the amount at which BTC is selling in the market, so I just need to do, if I'm actually using the limit, is to put how much I want to buy. So having seen this, I will come and set my own limit. I will tell Binance that I want to buy once BTC goes to 23,700. I see. So once I set, let me not use 700 because it can execute immediately. Let's say 23,500. So I actually want to buy once BTC get to this 23,500, and then I will come to this place and put the amount I want to buy, or I can put it 100% depending on how much I have available, and then you click on buy. So once you click on buy, if you have fund in your account, it will come to this place and start queuing up. So this order will queue up here, waiting for when the price of BTC will get to this amount that you have chosen before it will actually execute. But if you want to buy immediately without wasting any time, all you just need to do is to change it and put it to market order. Once you go to limit, you change it and choose market order. This simply means that you are telling Binance to buy, you want to buy BTC at that particular amount it is trading on the market. So that means that once I put market, I put the price, the amount of USDT I want to use in buying. Once I put the amount of USDT I want to use in buying and click on buy, it will execute immediately depending on the price it is selling at that particular time. So these are the two options you have here. Then the same thing is also applicable when you are selling. If you choose to use the market or the limit, but for the sake of this video where we are talking about spot trading, it is important to use your limit so that you will determine when to buy and then sell high, because that is the core essence. And the main good thing about this spot trading is that you are not always at loss. The only thing that could happen, the worst scenario that could actually happen to you, is that your crypto can drastically reduce in value if the price go against you. But if the price doesn't go against you, then you will definitely make money. What do I mean by price going against you? Let's assume that you bought at the rate of let's say you bought USDT at the rate of 23,600, and then the market now dropped from 23,600 to, let's say, it now dropped to 22,000. Are you seeing it? Now you have not made any profit, but this does not mean that you have actually lose money. No, is that only the value that depreciated. You have not lost any money. So it can be like that till whenever this price again move from 23 upward to, let's say, maybe now 24,000, and now you can sell and regain your money back. But unlike future trading, where if the price is in favor of you, you make money. If it goes against you, you lose your money. It's not like that in sports trading. So the main essence is you determine when to buy, and you speculate that this price will definitely go up, and then you are estimating to sell at a higher price when it definitely go up. So that is spot trading for you. So having understand this particular aspect and everything that you need to know about this particular spot trading, you can go ahead and click on the video you are seeing on the screen now to watch how you can actually make $10 every single day using this simple spot trading strategy and analysis.